Cardano just had 3 rug pulls in one day, and Bitcoin rallies after new info came out yesterday. This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when we drop our latest content. As always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. And don't forget, for a limited time, our Altcoin Buzz Access group is free. And while it is, you can get our great weekly market and NFT update reports from our amazing research team. Check them out now for free. The link is in the description below. Now, let's get into the news. Bitcoin has had a rough week, falling 7% on Tuesday to the 15,500 support range, liquidating 230 million futures contracts. With Genesis trading halting payouts, issues with the digital currency group, and Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, miners like Core Scientific are most likely done for. Core Scientific warned of substantial doubt about its continued operations over the next 12 months after reporting a net loss of over $434 million in the third quarter of 2022, which was way before any of the FTX damage occurred, taking us to new lows. Yesterday, the market rallied slightly, bringing Bitcoin to just under 17K as the Fed minutes came out, showing that officials thought they should slow the pace of the interest rate hikes after approving a 75 basis point hike at the meeting earlier this month. It seems the most likely outcome for December will be a 50 basis point hike, which will bring the benchmark rate to 4.25 to 4.75 total. This is the fastest rate of increase since the early 1980s to reduce inflation that is running at a 40-year high, which was quoted at 7.7% for October, with the goal to bring it back down to 2%. Polygon has consistently demonstrated that it can still enroll significant brands with cumulative reach of billions into the Web3 world throughout a terrible crypto downturn. Recent highlights include Nike announcing plans to mint digital apparel NFTs, Starbucks developing an NFT-driven loyalty rewards program, Reddit minting unique NFT avatars, Meta partnering with Polygon to let Instagram users mint NFTs, and NFT collectibles partnership with Disney. All that doesn't even include the massive gaming branch they have as well. But now Polygon has just launched a football collection with teams from 32 countries around the world. You can now mint your country as an NFT and track the team's progress through their NFT leaderboard. Lots of big things coming from Polygon. Cardano has just had a really rough day as 2 projects suddenly halt development and one dumps right after launch. First off was Orbis, a project that was building a Layer 2 ZK rollup on Cardano. They had an NFT mint that they were promoting a week ago. Then 2 days ago, they had said they sold out 50% of it and that you could still get them. Then yesterday, they said they had to halt the public NFT sale, but that they'll be back. Just a few hours later, they came out saying that due to constrained funding and uncertain conditions, Orbis Labs is unable to continue building and the project has come to a halt. Now, many are calling this a clear rug pull as they just launched, while others are saying that failed projects are not rug pulls. But regardless, doing an NFT sale when you know it's not going to save your project is unethical. Orbis hasn't said anything since, and everyone is hoping that they do a refund of the NFTs that they just launched. Ardana, a DeFi hub on Cardano that was working on a decentralized stablecoin, also halted yesterday as they too had issues with funding and uncertainties in the market. The project had raised $10 million and said that the remaining funds and treasury balances will be held by them until another dev team comes forward to continue the work. Again, community members were upset, calling it a rug, as many held the Ardana native token Ardana that dropped 80% in the last 24 hours. The third Cardano project of the day being Indigo, a synthetic assets and stablecoin project, which didn't halt work, but their launch didn't go as expected. Indigo recently launched its Indy token on November 22nd. After launch, the Indy token price hit 12 ADA from the listing price of 9.5 ADA. Then community members were airdropped the token and the sell pressure sent the price down to 7.7 ADA. Soon after, a single wallet dumped 35,000 Indy tokens for about $70,000, dropping the price of Indy down to 5.7 ADA. It turned out to be a co-founder from Liquid Finance, another Cardano project, who was an advisor and co-founder on the Indigo team. But most likely due to a falling out, he left the Indigo project, and when he received his initial amount of 35,000 tokens, he dumped them all, causing a panic in the Indigo community as the price tanked right before their eyes. The Indigo team was quick to say that this person was removed from the team, and after dumping this batch of tokens, this person won't be receiving their 23 other token allocations from their vesting schedule in the future. The The fall of FTX will have some spillover effects on the cryptocurrency market, according to CZ at Binance. Earlier this week, CZ had tweeted about Coinbase's liquidity problems and Grayscale's ownership of Bitcoin, which has since been deleted as the CEO of Binance clarified that he was only challenging some of the information in the tweet. CZ has said he is unsure if Grayscale or Coinbase is having problems. The CEO of Binance claims he doesn't want to disseminate misinformation, he merely seeks to increase the industry openness and oversight. CZ disclosed that Binance initially set aside $1 billion to purchase distressed assets, and within the next 6 months, Binance will consider purchasing some companies' assets. Since the defunct FTX was unable to complete the acquisition of Voyager, Binance has indicated that the exchange's American division will now make a new offer for the cryptocurrency lender. Following Voyager's bankruptcy, FTX emerged as the frontrunner to purchase the lender. Binance's bid was resisted by the US government out of worry for its potential impact on national security. Kyber Network has just launched its DEX aggregator Kyberswap on Solana. Kyberswap currently is deployed across 13 chains, including Ethereum, BNB, Polygon, Avalanche, Phantom, and more. As Kyberswap works towards its goal of becoming the most effective aggregator in DeFi, they've further advanced that goal by becoming the first EVM DEX aggregator to bring the best rates to Solana. They've also shown their support towards the growth and development of the ecosystem by becoming a partner with the Solana super team in Vietnam. That's it for your Altcoin Buzz news update. I'm your host, Cody Buffington. Thanks for watching.